In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT to learn maths. Okay, first of all, maths is just a very large series of various topics within it, right? So what we need to first make sure is when asking ChatGPT is to make sure we ask specific questions related to the topics you want to learn. So you would need to use your book, perhaps the book provided you to by your school, and then go topic by topic through ChatGPT, learning concepts and how to solve questions topic by topic, right? So you'll need to ask ChatGPT specific questions so it can help you, right? So perhaps let's say your first topic starts with something related to algebra or perhaps graphs, anything related to that, you can go ahead and ask to ChatGPT that, right? You can also obviously send ChatGPT the whole picture or image of your textbook content content page, right? So it can know how to teach you step by step. It can know what you know and what you don't know and what you have yet to learn. Like that, it can teach you conceptual things from the basics, right? And obviously, you'll have to ask ChatGPT to break down your questions step by step. He needs to teach you step by step how to solve from the beginning till the end, step by step, because obviously exams mark you based on the steps you do, not just the answers you get, right? So let's say, okay, um, so we can ask ChatGPT that, okay, I want to learn basic algebra. Okay, and after you have told it your intentions, it'll obviously give you a summary of what algebra is, right? Everything related to how to use the BIMAS rule or the PEMDAS rule, equations and all that kind of stuff, right? Now, perhaps a question from your textbook. You could go ahead and put that question and say ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT to solve it. So let's say something like 2x squared plus x equals 5. Can you solve this for me step by step? Right? And there we go. It'll help you solve the whole quadratic equation step by step, right? So you need to make sure to learn efficiently using ChatGPT, okay? Now, you can not only do that, but you can also ask ChatGPT to give you questions. Perhaps you have done or gone through all the questions from the book and now you're lacking in questions. So you can go ahead and ask ChatGPT to prepare some challenging and hard questions for you, right? And obviously, if you don't understand any concepts in the question it gives you, you can obviously ask it to help you out in steps. Perhaps you're stuck somewhere within the question it gave you, you can ask. You can even, if you have solved all of the questions successfully, you can give all your answers to ChatGPT to check them out, right? So could you give me a couple of hard quadratic equations to solve? And obviously, it'll give you a couple of problems, and once you're done with the problems, you can share your solutions with it, and it will correct them, obviously. And like this, you can make progress, right? It can also generate graphs. So let's say, could you generate a graph for, let's copy one of the equations that has sent us. Let's say this one. It can have visual learning as well using it. I'm not sure if I copied that properly, but let's see if that works. And not only that, but you can also ask ChatGPT to summarize your topics, right? So using the content page, which I said you would share in the beginning, you can ask ChatGPT to summarize the concept and perhaps have them outlist every single equation you need for your maths learning process, right? You can also ask ChatGPT the most simplest question, which every student has always asked: how does this help me in real life situations? And obviously, it would answer. You can also use it for exam preparations by having it give you some mock questions and practicing them, and you answering them and then correcting them. And like I said, you can ask it to see visuals, and there we go. He has drawn the graph for x, 3x squared minus 5x and minus 7. So you can see that ChatGPT is really helpful in every single aspect of learning maths. So you can spend your time using ChatGPT, and you'll be able to learn maths, even the difficult questions from it, right? So if you give it to your time and your best, you'll be able to do it. All right, guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.